What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today's a big day because we're going to be going to check out a potential candidate for my new car. In case you guys are new to the channel, I've been wanting to add an M3 for a long time. We currently have my E92, my F30, my van, my B8.5, my E90, and then way up at the top there is my 2021 50. And honestly, we're just missing some of that M-Power. So today we're gonna go check out a very possible candidate. But before we get into that, we have a new mod for one of the cars. Now over here in package land, in this box from Keys Motorsports, we have some brand new carbon kidney grills for the F30. Now I've actually had these in my storage locker for a little bit of time, probably like 2 months. I've just been hesitant to put them on, but today's the day because these are gonna look sick. And if you're looking to get a set for yourself, I believe these were 250 bucks, maybe 300 Canadian. So it's not too bad. Now we're gonna be swapping them out for these black kidney grills that are already on the car. And they look good, but they're just not hitting. Plus I love carbon, so let's go ahead and throw these on. Okay, we got the first one off, and I don't think we broke any tabs. Oh. Okay, we broke one tab, whatever. Hey, we've got the first one on. This looks so tough, dude. Look at the carbon. What do you guys think, carbon or black? I'm actually not sure which one I like better. Okay, we got both of them on, and I actually really like these. I wish it was sunny outside so we could see the carbon shine, but damn! I'm so stoked with how this turned out, dude. These are dope. Yo, is this a sign? It came with an M3 badge, bro. I think that's a sign. We get the M3 and then we can throw these on it. Should I put it on the F30 anyways? Do I be that guy? I'm doing it, boys. I just want to see something here. Yo, we got an M3, boys. Let's go. Don't worry, I'll take that off immediately. Now, we usually only do one mod per video, but today we have a second mod, and it's going to be for my 2021 50 Mustang. Now, in case you guys are unfamiliar with Mustangs, there's a serious problem in the engine bay, and it's how ugly this coolant reservoir is, bro. So today, our friends over at Flash Shark are helping us out. Now, over here in package land, they sent us a brand new aluminum coolant reservoir. Check this thing out. This is gonna make such a huge difference in the engine bay. Now, obviously, some of you have noticed that there's no cap. And if we walk on over to the Mustang here, it's actually because Ford designed their cap very specifically for this coolant system. So it's way too intricate and honestly not even worth making a new one to come with the kits. Now, one of the coolest things about this is obviously since it's aluminum, you can't see inside. So you get this sick little sightseeing glass on the side here that shows you your coolant level. But anyways, I'm super stoked. So let's just go straight ahead and install this thing. Now, this thing is actually super easy to uninstall. It's literally 2 hoses, 2 bolts, and then 1 big hose at the bottom. You can even reuse the coolant if you have a clean container, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we've got the first one off, and honestly, I did lose a little bit of coolant in the process, but it's whatever. Let's go ahead and get this new one on. Just like that, we have got it on, and this thing looks so good. Now that we've got those 2 mods out of the way, let's get right into the main topic of the video. So, like the title says, I'm thinking about getting rid of half of my cars in order to get my dream car. Now, the next car that I want, I really want an M3 or M4 in Yas Marina blue, man. They're just so sick. Now, depending on the deal, I find it doesn't have to be that specific color of blue, but it does have to be blue. I mean, like, if I could find a frozen blue or something like that, like, I'd definitely take it. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so out of all the cars, I'm thinking about getting rid of the E90. I absolutely love this car, but honestly, there's not much more that I want to do with it. And it kind of honestly just sits here. Like, I don't really ever take this thing out for a drive. I don't even really start it up, to be honest, or wash it. Like, it kind of just sits in my driveway and collects some dust. And then second of all, I've really been debating on selling the F30, but this is honestly such a dope car and it brings in money. For some of you who are new to the channel, I rent this car and my Audi out on Turo. For people who don't know what that is, Turo is like basically your own car rental company, I guess. So I rent these cars out to other people instead of them going to a corporate place like Enterprise or Budget. So yeah, these two cars probably make me an extra $1,000 to $1,500 a month. But at the same time, it would be a big part of my payment if I were able to sell this thing, but it's hard to say. And then the third and final option is I just keep all of them and get an M3 anyways. The only issue with that is I literally don't have anywhere to put it, as you can see here. Now, before we go and check out this new M3, we're gonna start demodifying my E90. I just wanna take some things off and get them ready so we can sell this. Now, one of the first things I'm definitely taking off are these little splitters here that we threw on in the Temu video. I've been meaning to take these off for so long, they look hideous. So let's do that. I can't believe I left them on for so long, dude. Like, what am I doing? Okay, so we finally got those off, which is super nice because those things were super tacky. And this thing definitely looks way better now, for sure. But now that we've got that out of the way, let's go to BMW and check out this M3. All right, well, boys, let's go check out this car. So hopefully this thing's even outside and we can see it. I don't really know yet. I have another meeting scheduled for this week, so I can actually check out the car. I'll probably bring you guys with me for that. But today we're just gonna go look at it anyway, hoping it's there. And yeah, we'll get your guys' opinions, see what everybody thinks. And yeah, hopefully soon we can walk away with an M3. Because yeah, it's been a dream car for so long. And I think even besides all the other cars, just the Mustang and the M3 combo would go crazy, dude. Like, because the Mustang obviously sucks in the winter. And where I'm at, we get a lot of snow. So yeah, it'd be nice to have some like an M3 with, you know, real nice handling and all that. My F30 is my normal winter car, and honestly, that thing performs great too. That one's an X-Drive, but you know, an F30 is not an M3, so we gotta upgrade, boys. All right, well, enough yapping. Let's get this show on the road here, get her going, eh? The pulls on this thing are different, bro. I'll never get sick of this car in my life. Well, I'm not seeing it here, boys. I think it must be inside, but there's still some sick ones outside. Let me show you guys these. Check this one out, dude. This is so sick. It's got the white guts with the carbon fiber, dude. This thing is nuts, bro. I ain't gonna lie, though. This thing is a little bit out of the price range, boys. Size of these tires and brakes, bro. This is nuts. I wanted budget of like 50 to 60 grand Canadian, obviously. And yeah, that's like maybe 120 or something. But we're gonna walk around, see what else we can find out here. Cause you know, I don't have my heart set on one car. That's not a good way to go about things. So let's check some stuff out. Yeah, I don't know if they were detailing the one that I found. I don't want to tell you guys yet because it's supposed to be a surprise. But yeah, I don't know if they brought it in to like detail it for me for this viewing I have coming up or what, but like I don't see it. And there's literally no F8X at all out here. Like I can't find a single F80. Check out this 340 though. 340s are pretty hard. Crazy. This thing's 2024, listed at 71 grand for an M340. It is pretty tough though, boys. Holy. Interior is kind of nasty. I don't really like black guts, but it's got carbon everywhere from factory. Look at the stitching on that steering wheel. Kind of sucks showing you guys through the window, but still. This M4 is gross too. The inside is disgusting. Is it a manual? What? Huh. I didn't even know you could get these in a manual. That is crazy. Yeah, the Mustang's tough, but it don't compare to an M3. I see it, boys. I see the M3. It's in the service center. I don't know if they're fixing something or what they're doing with it, but it's there and it looks insane, dude. Oh, I can't wait to check this thing out. This is so crazy, dude. This is like pure joy. I haven't even bought the car yet. I don't even know if I will buy the car. Like, I probably will, but dude, I don't even know what to think right now. Like, this car is so sick, dude. Like, if you told me like 2 years ago or 3 years ago that I'd have 6 cars right now, about to get 7, and it's gonna be an M3, like, that's insane. Insane. Oh my goodness. But there's not really much selection other than that, so I can't really walk around and show you guys too much, or else I would. But yeah, I guess I'll bring you guys with me when I go check this thing out, take it for a test drive and everything. And hopefully we get one sooner than we think. I still plan to check out more than just this one, because you know that you can't just check out one car and then buy it on the spot. You know, there might be better deals, blah blah blah, and you guys know what it's like. But man, it's really starting to get cold around here, dude. This is crazy. I'm wearing a hoodie right now. But anyways, I need you guys to let me know what you think I should do, if I should get rid of a couple of my cars in order to get this M3. Or maybe I don't get rid of any. I don't really know. I'm having a hard time deciding, so I need your guys' help here. What should I do? You know, if I choose to keep all the cars, that means the M3 would have to go way up on the road over there. But again, I just don't really know. Like, it's a lot to think about. But I know for sure that by next spring, we're gonna have an M car in the collection. Now, before we end off the video, this thing is super dirty, so let's give this a wash. Look at how dirty this thing is, dude. Jeez. Oh, this is so painful. Okay, let's deal with this. I swear the Mustang is the only car that I actually keep clean all the time. In case you guys are new to the channel, this is my detailing van. And I mean, this thing is loaded with all the tools, everything that I need. And I've been too lazy to actually start the business. I built a website and everything too. It's all ready. I'm just, yeah, I'm a sack sometimes. Okay, we just finished the wash and this thing is looking menacing, dude. I think this is one car that I'm literally never gonna stop appreciating. I've wanted one of these ever since I was 18 working in a dealership, and one rolled in that I had to detail. I knew I had to have a Mustang, and well, boys, we got it, and it's unreal every day. But with that being said, I gotta go get ready to play some golf, and yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what you guys think about what I should do with this car situation. I honestly really don't want to get rid of any of my cars because I love all of them. Like, every single one of these is just, it's so cool to me. I remember like 3 years ago when I was first, you know, getting my license and I didn't have a job. All I could afford was obviously one car, and now I have 6, soon to be maybe 7. So it's crazy how life works. But yeah, anyway, thank you everyone for your support. We're gonna keep making videos, hopefully for the next few years, like long time. I really enjoy this. We're not really making any money off it, but you know, it is what it is. Like, you can't expect to make money right away. And the people that do and then don't make it end up quitting, and you know, that's why it doesn't work out for most people. But yeah, we're gonna stick with it. Again, appreciate everybody who watches the videos, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya in the next one. Peace.